Hello student, today we are going to learn how to derive work done in a adiabatic process. Okay, actually this is a formula we are going to derive. Okay, so as we know, adiabatic process, the energy remains constant. Okay, there is no energy will go out, there is no energy will come in. Okay, total energy will be constant. Okay, so as we know, work done is equal to pressure into changing volume. Okay, it's also called as changing volume, it's also called as a force into displacement. Okay, force into displacement. So work done, we can take it as a pressure into changing volume. So dw is equal to p dv. Okay, I know Laplace formula. PV gamma is equal to constant. PV gamma is equal to constant. Okay, here gamma is going to be called as a specific heat capacity. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Okay, Cp by Cv. This I will make it in another video. What is Cp by Cv? Okay, the next one. Just this what I can get. Okay, already we have work done is equal to P dV. Okay, now I have the PV gamma is equal to constant. Okay, constant. Now what is pressure? Pressure is equal to constant divided by V gamma. Okay, this I am going to substitute in this equation, above equation. Okay, if you are substituting that, so we'll get finally work done is equal to P. Instead of P I wrote as a constant dV divided by V gamma, like that we have. Okay, see here, from denominator to numerator I am taken as a V gamma. Okay, from denominator to numerator I am taken as a V gamma. Okay, so plus gamma will become as a minus. Okay, the constant integration of dw will become as w, constant times of V minus gamma dv will be there. Okay, when you are integrating this area especially, what is the formula now? In case integration of dv integration of v power minus n dv is there. Okay, so you can add plus 1 divided by plus 1. Integration of xn dx is there, means you can write as a xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, here minus gamma is there, no, minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1, like that you can write. Okay, constant will be remain same. Okay, so minus gamma plus 1 minus gamma plus 1. Okay, the integration limit v1 to v2 is there. Okay, first time substituting as higher limit, then minus lower limit. Okay, also we'll get like this. So minus gamma plus 1, if you can write as a 1 minus gamma also we can write. Okay, now the constant I'm going to take it inside. Okay, when you are taken constant here, so constant can be p1 v1 gamma. Okay, p2 v2 gamma, p3 v3 gamma, whatever you want you can write it as a constant. Okay, it's going to be in a pattern. Okay, when you are multiplying with this p2 v2, when you are multiplying here p1 v1. Okay, because accordingly the equation I am changing. Okay, now I am taken with the constant inside. Okay, we'll see what is going to happen. So total work done is equal to constant I am taken inside 1 minus gamma constant times of v2 minus gamma plus 1 minus constant v1 minus gamma plus 1. Okay, now what is constant, that also we need to know. What is constant? No, p2 v2 gamma. Okay, here v2 gamma minus gamma plus 1. Okay, here plus gamma minus gamma will get cancelled. Okay, here p1 v1 gamma and v1 minus gamma plus 1. Okay, see here, very simple explanation only, plus minus will get cancelled. Okay, finally what will be there? 1 divided by 1 minus gamma, it's p2 v2 minus p1 v1. Okay, already we know the Charles law. It's going to be PV is equal to mu RT. PV is equal to mu RT. Okay, P1 V1 is going to be T1. P2 V2 is equal to mu or T2. Okay, so if you are substituting this in this equation, what I will get? No, finally work done is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus gamma. It's going to be called as mu RT2 minus mu RT1. Okay, so mu R, if I am taken common outside, mu R divided by 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1, that's going to be called as a work done. Okay, so this is the work done by the adiabatic process. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.